now we have to work on to-do app, and for that we need one IDE where we can write code. For ReactJS, mostly we use Visual Studio IDE, so we will install Visual Studio Code. Basically we have to install Visual Studio Code and then we'll download it. So once you will write here, click the first link, and after that you will see here we have Windows, Linux and Windows. So based on your system you can download it. Here we have installer, you can use 64-bit, 32-bit or ARM mode. We can download 64-bit, and after that it will be downloaded one exe file. What you have to do next is just select on this and click run, select the agreement, click next. You can select this create desktop icon and rest and add to the path. This is the important part. Click next and then you have to install it here. Once you will install, this one will be installed in your system. Visual Studio will be installed in your system. After that what you can do, just close the running project by pressing Ctrl C 1 or 2 times. It will ask you to terminate, just terminate it. Then close the command prompt also and again open the command prompt, or you can navigate to your project. The best way is you can navigate to your project. I'll go into C, then users and username, and from here you can select your project. So we created to-do app, we will go inside this project. Then after that you can click on the address bar and just type here CMD. Select address bar, type CMD and click enter. It will automatically open your project in command prompt. Then next thing is we can write here code space dot. Once you will write code space dot, your project will be opened directly in Visual Studio Code. Click enter, and then you will see that your project is opening in Visual Studio. Here we can see our project name is to-do app, and these all files are available in your project. If we will expand node module, this is by default, it will be installed whenever you create npx create React app. This is the public file for the React application. This is the src file where all the business logic is written here. Then we have git ignore file, package.log file, and then package.json file, readme file. In the next video we will see about these files and then we'll start with the project. Thank you for watching the video.